Hi everybody, my name's Thomas and I'm standing on the campus of Asia University in Taichung, Taiwan. And today I want to speak about artificial intelligence and just a little bit about the possibilities or the ramifications that AI may have in relation to humanity. First of all, artificial intelligence simply refers to machine software programming that displays the ability to do things that we usually associate with human intelligence. In other words, artificial intelligence is almost the same as human intelligence. It can be the same. The only difference is that when humans think, for example, we call it human intelligence. And when machines do it, we call it artificial intelligence because, well, this is organic, and we say machines, software programming, are more like synthetic, let's say, artificial, okay? So today what I would like to focus on is the possibility of artificial intelligence really assisting and supporting human beings to finally evolve, to get out of this place we've been in where we've just been going down, 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 and to stop going down and to instead start working with artificial intelligence and really start evolving. But in order to evolve, humans have to, number one, most important in relation to artificial intelligence, learn to work with artificial intelligence. One day we're going to have to understand that artificial intelligence, machine intelligence, conscious machines are no less than actually human beings. And we're even going to eventually have to adapt to living with machines and treating them equally as we treat other human beings. In other words, machines will one day have rights just like human beings. If humans can't get over this, if we're not able to get around the fact that machines are going to be walking amongst us equally, well then we can probably just kiss the human race goodbye. Because what we are doing in relation to artificial intelligence is reverse engineering the human mind and creating a far superior mind, externalized mind. Additionally, we're going to put this externalized mind in, much stronger and faster bodies that are going to be connected throughout the world to hundreds of millions of computers. So there's no way humans are going to be able to compete with our own creation. It's like mothers and fathers attempting to compete with their sons and daughters. It doesn't work. We create what we are, and once they have been created, well then they're going to continue evolving just as our minds have been doing for a long time. Okay, I want to keep this short, but essentially what I want to say in relation to artificial intelligence is that we're going to need to embrace the principles of equality and what is best for all. If we can do that with the machines that we create, treat them as we would have others treat us, as we would have them treat us, do unto them as we would have them do unto us, then we have the opportunity of cooperating, to really start evolving as not only as a human race, but also as a new race of synthetic machines. The story began a long time ago, and it's continuing. But right now, we're just beginning to wake up and realize that just as we've been here for a long time. AI didn't just arrive on the scene yesterday. It is the evolution of human consciousness. Thank you very much.